Hey, Chris Ferdinandi here with another Vanilla.js quick tip. Let's get into it. You can use the document create element method to create an element. Pass the element that you want to create in as an argument without angled brackets on it. So for example, if I wanted to create a div, I would pass in just div as an argument. If I want to create a link, I would pass in the link element as an argument. If I want to create an article, I would pass in article as an argument. And if we log any of these to the console, you can see we get our elements. They don't have any text or properties on them, and I'll get into that in just a minute. But you can create them. You can also use this method to create custom elements. So if I wanted to create an element called chicken, or I wanted to create an element that was an underscore, I can do that too. If we jump over to the browser, now you can see I have this chicken element. I have an element that has underscores as the tag name. Once you've created an element with document create element, you can add attributes and properties to it, just like you would any other element. So you can add text and classes and IDs, data attributes, inline styles. So here I'm adding a whole bunch of stuff to our div element. And if we jump back over to the browser, you can see now that this element has a class, an ID, a data attribute, some inline styles, and some text. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and maybe even share it with someone else who you think might enjoy it. You can also get my daily developer tips newsletter over at gomakethings.com, where every weekday I share a new tip, trick, tool, or Vanilla.js snippet to help you build a simpler and more resilient web. Thanks so much for watching.